This is a 1985 Honda atc 250R three-wheeler frame. I'm going to be doing a video documentary of step-by-step of the entire bike being completed, restored. Each part that I put on, it's going to be videoed, starting with the frame, sanded, repainted, grommets, stickers, wiring harness, swing arm, axles, front forks, triple trees, radiators, engine, foot pegs. Everything is going to be documented step by step. There's some of the parts I have now. They'll all be sanded, repainted, mostly stock parts. There you have it, starting with the frame.